अस्सलाम वालेकुम एवरीवन, उम्मीद है आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे PMSgk पास्ट पेपर 2014। तो ये हमारे पास बेसिकली वन लाइनर्स हैं 2014 के जो पेपर था उसके। करेक्ट ऑप्शन यहाँ पे गिवन है आपके पास स्टेटमेंट के सामने। वन इज व्हाट इज़ द अपोजिट ऑफ सर्वाइल, तो हार्टी जो है इसका अपोजिट है। फॉकेटिंग इज द पार्लियामेंट ऑफ डेनमार्क। विच कंट्री इज कॉल्ड कॉकपिट ऑफ यूरोप, तो बेल्जियम को कॉकपिट ऑफ यूरोप कहा जाता है। इक्विनॉक्स मीन्स व्हेन डेज एंड नाइट्स आर ऑफ इक्वल लेंथ, तो इसको हम एक टर्म से डिस्क्राइब करते हैं इक्विनॉक्स। थॉमस कप इज एसोसिएटेड विद, बैडमिंटन की गेम के साथ ही एसोसिएटेड है जी थॉमस कप। फुटबॉल वर्ल्ड कप 2010 was won by Spain. Brazuca means Brazilian way of life. Strait of Hormuz is between Gulf of Oman and Persian Gulf. Diet is the parliament of Japan. When the stock market is going down, it is called bearish. Broadway Street of USA is famous for heart of the American theater industry. Baltic states are एस्टोनिया, लैटविया एंड लिथुआनिया। तो ये हमारे पास 3 स्टेट्स हैं जिनको बाल्टिक स्टेट्स कहा जाता है। वेयर बेकाल लेक एग्जिस्ट, तो साइबेरिया और रशिया के दरमियान में हमारे पास जो है बेकाल लेक मौजूद है। न्यू डील वाज रिटन बाय यूएस प्रेसिडेंट फ्रैंकलिन डी रोजवेल्ट। न्यू डील किसने राइट की थी? यूएस प्रेसिडेंट फ्रैंकलिन डी रोजवेल्ट। कैरेक्टर ऑफ ड्रैकुला वाज क्रिएटेड बाय होम? ब्रैम स्टोकर। In the election of President of US of America, the largest number of members of Electoral College are elected from the state of California. Aeroflot is the airline of Russia. Yangtze River passes through Jiangsu. The headquarters of APEC is in which country? Singapore. Tegel is the international airport of Germany. Kalahari Desert is located in which country? Botswana. What is the length of China Wall? 13,170 miles, जो कि अगर हम किलोमीटर में देखें तो 21,196 किलोमीटर्स। नेल्सन मंडेला was imprisoned for how many years? तो 27 years इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा। Where wealth accumulates men decay, ये स्टेटमेंट किसकी तरफ से थी जी? ओलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ। Our sweetest songs are those that tell of the saddest thought, ये स्टेटमेंट है जी पीबी शेले की। व्हाट इज द टोटल एरिया ऑफ ऑस्ट्रेलिया? 7.692 मिलियन किलोमीटर स्क्वायर। व्हाट इज द हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम? तो वीनस हमारे पास हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट है सोलर सिस्टम का। 1 मेगाबाइट इज इक्वल टू हाउ मेनी बाइट्स? तो ये हमारे पास जो है 100 लाख आप इसको कह सकते हैं बाइट्स के इक्वल है, या 1 करोड़ आप कह सकते हैं इसको बाइट्स के इक्वल है। When did Yasir Arafat died? November 11, 2004. What is meant by viticulture? Cultivation of grapevines को viticulture कहा जाता है। The largest ethnic group not having a separate state is Kurds. Kurds वो ethnic group है जिसका कोई भी separate state नहीं है। Old Stone Age is also called as Paleolithic Age. In human body, flat bones are found in skull. ANSA is the news agency of Italy. Horn of Africa includes which countries? Somalia, Ethiopia, Eritrea और Djibouti। ये हमारे पास वो कंट्रीज हैं जो जिनको हॉर्न ऑफ अफ्रीका जो है उसमें इंक्लूड किया जाता है। विच सिटी इज कॉल्ड द सिटी ऑफ 7 हिल्स? रोम को कहा जाता है जो। व्हाट इज़ द करेंसी ऑफ पुर्तगाल? यूरो जो है वो पुर्तगाल की करेंसी है। द इमेजिनरी लाइन ऑफ 0 डिग्री लॉन्गिट्यूड विच पासिस थ्रू ग्रीनविच इज कॉल्ड प्राइम मेरिडियन। When France celebrates Bastille July 14 को, Bastille Day belongs to which country? France. What happened first? Revolution of China, French Revolution और American War of Independence? तो American War of Independence इसका करेक्ट ऑप्शन होगा। An ordinary mobile phone communicates by using radio waves. Which vitamin is provided by sunlight to body? D. Decibel is used to measure intensity of sound. Which treaty was constituted for the fragmentation of Ottoman Empire? तो ये हमारे पास ट्रीटी ऑफ सेवरेज था जो कि कॉन्स्टिट्यूट किया गया था फॉर फ्रेगमेंटेशन ऑफ ऑटोमन एम्पायर। The South Cross has how many main stars? 4. What is the highest military award of Italy? Medal of Valor. ASEAN was established on August 8, 1967. Arab League was established in which city? Cairo. East of Eden was written by John Ernest Steinbeck. Sui generis means unique. Rand is the currency of which country? South Africa. Number of working children in developing countries are 250 million. Which article of the Constitution of Pakistan deals with bonded labor and slavery? 11. According to Factory Ordinance 1934, working hours for adults in a day are 9 to 10 hours. White goods are durable consumption goods. Contours are the lines connecting places having equal height. If there is no atmosphere, the color of sky would be black. The phenomena of Arab Spring was sparked by the self-immolation of Muhammad Bouazizi, a fruit seller in Tunisia. America's cup is associated with which sports? Yachting. Wheel is the symbol of progress. Maple leaf is the national emblem of Canada. The hurricane in October 2012, which caused widespread damage in eastern seaboard states of USA, was Sandy. What is Widow's Tears Lake? Element required for solar energy conversion is silicon. Which of the following country is located in the Levant region? Syria. Who is the father of the French Revolution? Jean-Jacques Rousseau. Which statement is incorrect? Legislature is inferior to judiciary. What is the new name of Leningrad? St. Petersburg. Bread of the World is an organization located in Washington, D.C. The headquarters of EFTA is located in Switzerland. First Asian Secretary General of United Nations was U Thant. Pedagogy is the study of teaching. Sunflowers are the subjects of two still life paints painted by Van Gogh. Pointer arises when you use the address of an object after its lifetime is over. Dangling. A change is an individual's behavior promoted by information and experience. Refers to which one of the following concepts? Learning. What is meant by ethics? Ethics means moral values. Kyoto Protocol talks about pollution. The country having the highest GDP is USA. Which statement is false? Constitutional conventions are not binding upon anyone. Which article of 1973 Constitution prohibits all forms of slavery, child labor and forced labor? 11. Which of the following statement is false? The conventions of the Constitution are binding political rules which are not enforceable in the courts. Sylhet district at the time of partition was part of province of Assam. Euphonious is the opposite of strident. The Incan civilization flourished in South America. Stock indices at Tokyo are known by their popular name of nickel. Hobson's choice means giving no choice at all. A voucher may be a payment bill. What was the name of Libyan king deposed by Colonel Gaddafi in 1969? The mental condition or habit of placing trust or confidence in another shows which of the following options belief. Economic crisis in 1930 originated in USA. Divine Comedy was written by Dante. Who is known as the father of astronomy? Copernicus. In 1774, oxygen was discovered by Priestley. Who invented bicycle? Called Dewey. 97. AG Transparency International is headquartered at Berlin. The major source of electricity generation in Pakistan is thermal power. The first test tube baby was born on July 25, 1978. The largest island in the world is Greenland. तो ये हमारे पास 2014 के वन लाइनर्स थे जीके PMS पास्ट पेपर जो था हमारे पास. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम 2015 का जो पेपर है उसको डिस्कस करते हैं.